Say good morning mga shots! Gising na po ang baby namin, Ayana! Say good morning to them! Say hi! Are you playing with your feet? You're clapping your feet? Clap, clap, clap! Clap, clap, clap! Basta pinalitan ko na pala siya dahil fully loaded ng aming baby Yana. Yeah, we're getting up. Are we going to walk in the morning? Let's go walk. Okay, let's go. Get up. Come on, baby. Baby, Ayana. Ayana. Ayana, baby. You want this one? Baby. Oh, not for you, Monty. You want this? Come on, grab it. Come on, grab it. Take it, come on. Get. Nakadilaw ka pa naman. Paras ka ng banana. Come on, get it. You don't want? Ayan na, baby. Oy. Tingnan mo dyan sa labas. Maambon pa ba kanina umulan eh. Ayan na, baby ko. Ay, hindi siya namamansin. Grab the banana. Come on. Hold it. That's a banana. Come on. Go get it. Si Monty naman tinitingnan niya. Monty, Monty. Oh, Monty. Grab the banana, baby. Ay, ayaw niya. Ayaw niya sa banana. You want banana? You want this one now? Right, this one? No, baby. I can't give you now, baby. Soon. Next month. Hindi ka lang muna dyan. Where's your toys? Oh, interesado din yung isa. Ayan na ka. Look. Come here. Come. Hi, what's that? Morning, my baby. My baby is so pretty yan. Baby, Yana. Dala-dala niyo.
Hello. Good afternoon. I'm fine. How are you, sir? Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ayana, look at me here. Napagod na kami sa kanyang walker. Dito naman kami sa aming kama. Ayana. Baby. Uy, snaberang batang ito. Ang lusog-lusog mo na, anak. Tingnan mo naman yung mga ano mo, mga pata mo. Ayana. Uy. Ay, snabera tong batang ito. Where's my princess? Sige, tuwad. Tuwad. Tagilid di ka, baby. Tagilid. Come on, tagilid. Let me see you. Hi! Uy. Kitty pie. Kitty pie ng aking dimple ng baby Yana ko. Isa lang yung hiningi kong dimple. Dalawa yung binigay ni Lord. Say thank you, Lord. Kasi isa lang yung dimple ni Mami. Tag-isa kami ni Daddy. Tag-isa kami ni Daddy. Ha? Sa akin yung right. Left. And Daddy kay Daddy naman right. Yeah? May tag-isa kasi kami yung dimple. Kaya binigay kay baby dalawa. Say thank you, Lord. Ayan na, baby. Ay, wala na naman tayong gagawin. Ganito na naman tayo, baby, araw-araw. Araw-araw. Ay, pasok ka na pala ni ate mo bukas. Ay, tomorrow, ate, we're going to school na. School starts tomorrow for my ate, for your ate. Sige. Baby, your hands is clapping, not your feet is clapping, ha? Ayan na. Tayo na lang dalawa dito, baby, maiwan. Si daddy magwo-work, si ate mag-school. Tayo na lang lagi, dalawa. Ay, sana huminto na yung ulan. Na makapasyal man tayo sa SM baby. O kay tita She mo. Ay, ay, ay.
The students' union saying that they will not accept any other proposal from the government apart from theirs, and they will definitely not accept army-led or army-supported interim government.
Let me taste it.
There is a lot of uncertainty. The army chief is speaking with the protest, the union, the leaders of the protest movement, the students,
Babe, oh.
and we are waiting to hear what is the outcome of
It's not that sweet.
that.
No sugar. Ayan na, baby.
It's okay.
It's okay? But I put 2 dates. Good? Still have here. I will make my own too. Baby Anna, come. Hello, mga shots. Good evening. Kagigising lang ng baby ko. Gabi na. Ay, baby. Don't lean back. Ayan na. Ayan na, baby. Pagkatapos ko siyang liguan kanina, nakatulog na siya. Gigising niya lang. That was a quick nap also. Ayan na. Baby. Look at your messy hair again. It's always messy. Yan na, no comb. Excuse me po. Baby, look at here. I got something for you. Ayan na, baby. Kulit ng bata ko. Ang kulit ng batang ito. Baby, ayan na. Look at, show your messy hair. Say, say, thank you for watching mga shots. Ayan na. Ayan na, look at mommy. Ayaw niya talaga maki-ano sa aking video for today's vlog. ayaw niya makipag-cooperate. Ayan na, baby. Say, thank you mga shots for today's video. Say, it's just a quick video for today. So, dito lang namin i-end yung aming vlog for today mga shots. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye! Say bye mga shots. Ayan na. Bye! Ayaw niya talaga mga shots. Bye everyone!